Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A5 Avant S-Line S-Tronic finished in the modern Daytona Grey Pearl Effect paintwork. This 2025 model comes with a petrol engine with 204 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators and a rear light bar that also animates for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, aluminium roof rails for secure road trips, flush door handles, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A5 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric boot lid that reveals a spacious 467-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders, eyes fixed points for secure child seats, and a rear climate control with two USB-C charging ports. The front houses the multifunctional flat top and flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, a central console, and embossed front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle, in addition to accessing the park assist function. From the same screen, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a wireless phone charging pad with two USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, two cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.